In this video I'm going to show you how you should not build a water wall, how you should not do the water distribution and the overflow channel. The first problem here, as you can see, is that the back wall is very low and the water can escape at the back too if you produce here more waves. And then the second thing is that we just have a couple of metal plates with holes inside this overflow channel, inside the gutter, but the feeding comes from the middle. So if this is the complete overflow channel, we have a feeding from the middle, and on that feeding there sits a small cap. So this is this one, and this cap causes the water only to escape to two directions. So we get a venturi effect, which means that we produce a lot of pressure here due to the water which comes to the sides, but we have low pressure here in the middle, and according to that the water does not flow over the overflow channel here in this middle area. And so we try to change that and to fix that by, for example, covering those holes. And as I think I said it, this is not a water wall I've built. The customer called me to help him to fix it, and as you can see here, the constructor, they tried to fix it with some plates which would cover those holes, but you know, we had too much water here on the right side, and we put plates here, and another guy before me, he put some tape here. He just closed those holes, but it didn't work because this metal sheet with the holes, this was laid above this cap, and it was not closing the whole gutter. The water could still escape at the front and at the back of this metal sheet with the holes. So even after we have closed this area, we still had like the same situation, much too much water here at the right side and not enough water at the left side of the water wall. So it simply didn't work because the infusion or the feeding from the middle does not work, and this venturi effect causes too much pressure at the sides. The only way I could fix it by accident was that I have removed this bolt at the top here. By doing this, the water could also escape in the middle, which lowered the pressure to the sides, and I have put here a small metal plate below here so that I had more pressure to the left, because as I said, we had less water here and much too much water here. So by doing this I could regulate a little bit the water distribution, but it is not stable because now we have this plate sitting on the cap, and this cap is not really fixed, it's not really stable. So if you would, for example, put a lot of pressure here, then this cap can move, and then again this setting would be lost. So as I said, you should not build the water wall like that, and also the back wall is too low, so the water level is here. If you have too much waves here, the water can escape to the back. And as you can see here, it also can escape to the sides, and it also could escape here and find its way across this bolt to the side. So this is pretty improvised, and yeah, if you want to learn how to do it in a way that you are flexible and really can adjust precisely the water streams and the water distribution, then please visit wawazen.net. We have there a glass water wall mastery course where we describe very detailed how to create an overflow channel which is working, which is secure, and you will also find a blueprint there. And please also subscribe to my YouTube channel here. And please comment and tell me if you liked it or if you didn't like it or if you need some further information. I would be happy to assist you. Thank you.